how's it going? So this is a super quick video on how to use endpoint injector. So long story short, this just makes your code a bit neater. You don't really need to do it, but we used it in our project, so I decided to kind of do it in here. So long story short, you can basically put this part somewhere else, and that's it. That's the whole thing about it. So right now you have API, right? It has, let's say, a lot of different queries and mutations. So how do you make it neater? Injector is the way to do it. So file, injector, demo, whoops. Okay, so we want to import this guy from should be here right now. Yeah, there it is. And then const. You can call this anything you want. I will call it abracadabra. I don't know. I'll call it abracadabra. I'll call it injected. Well, by convention, normally people call it extended. Kind of like extended, I think they call something like this. Okay, then we want to take this one and then inject and points like this. And then you literally just take this part here and put it in here. Whoopsie. And export this thing. Default, like this. Okay, so one thing is going to complain in here, so that you just need to return nothing from here. Like this. Whoops. Okay, so you're gonna have errors, and that's because you are not using. So when you inject endpoints in here, you have to use. So if you want to consume the endpoints, do you use this one or do you use this one? And the answer is you use this one. Okay, so you have to import it from and then replace, and then that's it, it's going to work. Yeah, so it's working. Now, I mean, caveats would be, the problem with this is if you're trying to blacklist something, you're gonna effectively blacklist the entire store, because you're basically stacking a lot of different. You basically have one query, RTK query builder, and just everything is just in it. Although it looks like you have separated, but you didn't actually. Do you know what I mean? So, but the benefit is that you don't have to constantly worry about adding reducers, because everything is already. You set it up one time and then you just inject. So it's a lot less boilerplating, I suppose. Now, I wonder if this thing is going to work without this part. Let me see. Because, I mean, realistically, you don't really need this part because you are injecting points, right? Let's see. Oh no, it's not working because you need this part so that the endpoints. So I think the endpoints get injected into this part as opposed to this part, right? So that's why you have to have this part. Okay, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. Wait, let me just check. Did I cover? Yeah, so do you need to import? Is that like built-in function? Yes, it is. You don't need to import anything extra. It's already available via the RTK. Okay, take care, bye-bye.